Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I will be sharing with you guys free fonts that would actually um, make your design project stand out. Actually, this series of fonts this time around are actually luxury fonts. So they're actually channeled towards um, luxury um, luxury brands, yes, such as perfumes, clothing, and lots more. Yes, as we can actually use this for wedding designs also. Yes, they can suit into that. Yes, so this is one of them. I'll be sharing just 6 with you guys. So this actually makes your design stand out. I use this for, for one of my previous designs. Okay, so this is actually sweet for luxury purpose. Yes, it gives your design that tone that you would need to make that project stand out. So this is one in which it is. I know many of you will like this. If for any reason you won't get this pack for this font, please get this pack. This is one of the fonts that would wow your clients. You get, so please do well to get this pack. Just stay close still to the end of the video, and I would give you description on how you would get the resources. Yes, so another is this actually looks nice, though it actually has a family. Do you understand, where you would have this italic version, the bold version, the normal version, and more. Yes, so we also have this. Yeah, most amazing things is that these fonts actually look nice for luxury brands. Yes, luxury brands, in the sense that you can actually use this as just um as the word mark of your logo. Do you understand? Yes, you can actually use this as the word mark of a logo. So also this, so this, this, and then this. So these are the font packs I will be sharing with you guys. These are luxury packs. Please don't miss this. So if you've been observant with the pattern in which I drop my videos, you would understand that I have a system in which I dish out my resources. You can go down beneath all my videos, you will gain access to a lot fonts, resources, so many. The previous ones was actually video resources. Yes, so just go down below my videos, you gain access to a lot of resources. So the same way, if you're my previous subscriber or my new subscriber, yeah, let me make this clear. For you to gain access to these resources, yes, you if you have been patient or observant with this video, you would observe passkeys at intervals of the video, and these passkeys are actually 6 digits number. Yes, they're actually 6 digit number, in the sense that at interval you would see 2, at interval you see 2, at interval you see 2. That's the first 2, the second 2s, and the last 2s. Yes, so that is how the passkey um is being shared around the video. So you will just stay patiently to go back and watch the video. If you have not gotten the passkey, then you go below the link in the description, then you gain access to the file. Yes, the Google Drive. So you also need more files, you also need more resources. Please do well to go beneath my previous video, and you gain access to a lot. I have a lot resources packed. All these resources will actually make your design stand out. If you look at the secrets of so many graphic designers, they have more exposure to resources. Yes, most of them, the reason why their design stands out is because of they are exposed to these resources. Do you understand? Exposed to these fonts, exposed to these backgrounds. I have a lot background pinned to my channel. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Immediately you get the pack, please just drop a thank you beneath so others will know that the access is actually verified and they can benefit from it too as you would. Yes, please, thank you very much.